Come on. You need to get out and take a break. Come on. Come on, Ace. Come on, boy. Take a break. Good boy. Take a break. Just stay there and take a break for a minute. Okay? He looks so little, but he's all wet. You look like a little puny thing.
You look like a little chihuahua thing.
Chihuahua thing.
You look like a deer. Ace.
Oh, now he says that's enough. I'm done with my break. He loves it. Come on, Ace. Get Ace. Come on. Take a break. Ace. Ace. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, Ace. Take a break. Just let him sit there for a minute.
Take a break right here.
Yeah, he needs to take a break though. Don't let him go swimming. He needs to breathe normally.